Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Python tokens. In Python, every logical line of code is broken down into components known as tokens. Okay, the normal tokens are of types keywords, identifiers, and literals and operators. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Oh, this is my IDLE Python, and now we are going to give some simple program hello world, and we're gonna say this. It's save as. Okay, I have already this program, so wait, dot graph program dot py. Actually all Python programs will the extension for Python programs is py, so we should add dot py for every program. So I save this program as python py, and see, I executed this program, I run this program, so the result is hello world. So this is the notes that I created. Okay, let's start with the topic. So we are going to discuss about variables. Variables are the memory location used to store the data. Variables can be changed or modified. Okay, variables should start with a letter or underscore and cannot start with the number. That means we are going to use variables as some letters and with underscores, and we should not use before the variable any number. We should use after a number. Let's see. Okay, minimize this. Sorry. Okay, come on. Remove this. Print. So okay, hash is used for a comment line. We generally use hash for in every line to make the command like this. Okay, in variable programs we are going to give this code here, that is print hello world, name is equal to John, and save this, print type of the name. Okay, watch here, the name print name is a type of string, so it's printed as string. And now we are going to write some more code. Okay, we'll give this num is equal to 1 and print type of num, and save this and run this. Watch, the number is the type of int, so it executes class is equal to int. Okay, now we are going to execute float. We give float as 1.34 and print type of it. And first of all we have to save and run this. Watch here, the float type is this is a float type, so it's prints as a float. And come back here. Now we are going to give some more strings here. Okay, name is equal to b plus a, and remove this and save this and print name. So watch here, save this and run this. So see here, it combines here, and the type of name will be string. And we are going to give some more code, and new name is equal to style.css and print new name, save as, and run this module. Okay, see, it is generally used to combine strings here. Okay, and the type of name is string, and type of int is int, and the type of float is float, decimal number is float. Okay, now we are going to give some more code here. Okay, name, we remove asterisk, name is equal to as plus 21, and print here and save this. Run this. We will get a error. Watch here, because when we adding any strings, both should be strings, otherwise it gives some error. Okay, delete this. Okay, something problem here. Come on, remove this. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the we are going to discuss about assigning single values. We'll give age as 25 and name as some string value, print name. Assigning, watch here, here in variables, assigning single variables. The code will be like this. We use only single string, single value, and we print the single value, and save this and run this. Watch here, we got a single string value which we have assigned to name. Okay, again remove this. Now we are going to make some more code for multiple assignment. Assigning multiple values here, and start code. We assign A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 5, and print A equal to A and B. We assign some more information here. A comma B comma is equal to 10 comma 15 comma 20, and print A B C again. So we're gonna save this these numbers here, ABC. Yeah, okay, save this and run this. Watch here, we got previous code. A is equal to B is equal to 5, and for multiple assigning, it gives other output. Sorry, run this again. Run the module. Yeah, 5 5 5 and 10 15 20. This is the assigning. This is the code for assigning multiple values. Okay, now we are going to discuss about operators. Operator is a special symbol that are used to carry out arithmetic and logical and other operations. Like we are going to discuss about now arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators is a common mathematical operation which are used for common addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. Okay, we'll remove the hash symbol here. Okay, we are going to code some simple operations here, and we're gonna save here and run this program. Something is error showing because we did some mistake here. Oh, nothing. We forget to remove the right bracket here. Okay, we'll remove this and save this again and run it. Watch out, we got the results here, and A plus B is equal to 25, and A minus B is equal to 5, and A into B is equal to 150 and 1.5, and etc. So we are going to discuss about assigning operators now, and remove this one. Assignment operations are used to assign values of variables. Okay, this is the code. Right now, hash operators. Okay, remove the asterisks for I come on. I wrote the program previously because it takes a lot of time to code. That's why I already coded some programs to reduce time and to make you little bit good, pretty. Okay, save this program and assigning operator will be a plus b plus a minus 20 and a is equal 20. Now we're gonna yeah 15. So we got the results here, so we'll remove this. Now remove the asterisks. Assigning operators values are correct. If you have any doubt, you can check. So third one is comparison operators. Comparison or value compares values and return either true or false only. Okay, watch here. This code will print true or false. Okay, yeah, the code is right. So here equal and not equal, less than, greater than, equal to. Now save it and run it. So watch here. First we got false and true, and false and true, because a is not equal to b, and a second one a is equal to b, etc. And remove this. And the fourth one is logical operator. Logical operator used to combine conditional statements. That means and, or, is not. If the both our statements are true, then it will be true. Or operator is used if one statement is true, it shows true. Okay, is not operator, if true, then it shows false. Okay, we removed hash values. Now x equal to 5 and y equal to 10 and x equal to 3 and y equal to 23. We gave some more statements here. Now save this and run this. Watch here. Logical operators. First one, a is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10 is true, and second one is wrong, false, sorry. Next, x equal to 5 or y equal to 4, it's true, and etc. and so on. We verify logical operator, and we're gonna remove this. And come on, remove this. Come on, it's a little bit something is wrong in my system, so it takes a little bit. Okay, I'll come to the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is used to compare binary numbers. Actually, we use AND symbol, OR symbol, and asterisk symbol, other symbols. Okay, this is code, and if both are true, it will show right, I mean true, in AND operator only. Otherwise it shows false. And while coming to OR operator, it shows true if one of them is true, and the XOR operator is 1, which even one should be equal, I mean true. Both should not be true. Okay, at last NOR operator is used to convert true. If true will present here, it makes false, and if false is there, it makes true. And left shift operator shifts the places up to the numbers. Here becomes here I gave some example here. Watch here. And right shift also like that. Okay, we're gonna remove this. Come on. Okay, sixth one is identity operator. This operator checks if the subjects are the same or not. It's used to check whether both are same. If the both are same, it will execute true, or If both are false, if both are not equal, it executes false. Okay, remove asterisk. We removed asterisk, and we gave some code here. We provided here ID here, and the ID is used for to give an identity for a variable. Okay, we're gonna save first and run it. Watch here. We have assigned x equal to 1. It has some ID value. Again we gave we printed here, and then again we gave x equal to some value and y equal to some value. Again it prints other ID value, and last we checked print x equal 1. We gave x is equal to 1 and y is not 2. The output we've observed it's false. Okay, I'm just telling a little bit fast to make adjustment in the time. The last one is member operator. You use it to present an object in sequence. Okay, to check if the subject is present in the object, we use in operator, and not in operator we use it to specify the number is not in our string value. Okay, we removed hash values here, and we're gonna save here. Okay, we gave name is equal to 1 2 3 and some value we printed, and x is, we checked x is in there or not. Okay, name dot append is used to add 8 in our string values, and we printed name, and we checked again 8 is in name or not. We checked here. Okay, and the pop is nothing but we use it to remove the 8 value there. Here we observe 8 is here, there in here, but after that we didn't observe 8 in our last when we print name here. Okay, remove this. Okay, that's all for operator, and come for keywords now. Okay, keywords are used to keywords should not use variables. We should not use variables. So watch here. Keywords are reserved words in the Python. We can't use a keyword variable name function or any other identifier. Keywords are case sensitive. All keywords except true and false or none in the lowercase. Here some of them I gave some 33 keywords here. We should not use here these keywords, these words as keywords. Watch here. I gave red to 7. I printed red, and I gave written there printed. It's showing syntax error because written should not be there, because in keyword variable should not be used. So I'll remove this. Okay, I'll give hash and save this and run it. Watch here. Keywords in 7 we printed 7, ret is equal to 7. By this we clarify that. So watch here. I'll again say this, and again this, it shows invalid syntax because we should not use any keyword any keywords. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, come to identifier. Okay, remove this also. This makes a little bit. Okay, come to identifiers, and I think it's done it here. Okay, an identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, or object. It is a name for identifying function or variables. Okay, next, no special characters except underscore can be used as identifier. Keyword should not be used as identifier. Python is a case sensitive language. Here are some more examples, and well, going to code here. Okay, we gave different kinds of variables here, and we printed here. Watch here, we gave some syntax error, this one hash. So now we'll save this and run this. See, we got outputs because we gave proper code here. So if we use numbers before a variable, I will give numbers, sorry, say the variables, sorry, come on, something's wrong. Okay, don't mind. Okay, remove hash value and print as one, print one var. Say this, we'll get some syntax error. Run this. See, we should not use any number values before a variable, so remove this. I'll go for other topic called literals. The next topic is literals. Okay, literals are raw data given to a variable. We have four types of literals here. Okay, yeah, literals are the data given to a variables. There are four types of literals. There are string literals, numerical literals, Boolean literals, and special literals. And we are going to discuss about what is string literal. String literals are formed enclosing text within the quotes, both single and double. Okay, next we have some example here, and we're going to code for string literals. Okay, start this. Remove the hash part. I mean hash value. I mean hash. Okay, we gave some string values there and printed some string values, and this is new for you. We know this condition, and sorry, this is the string. Okay, hash value, this is string, print is equal to sample, sorry, string literals. Sample path, and path is equal to sample path now. So we used double quotes and single quotes, and we printed here, and we use hash for that, for later explanation. Okay, save this and run this. Watch here. Yes, equal output, because it is no difference when we place single quotes and double quotes in our input. Okay, now come over this, remove hash values, and here also, and we are used three. Come on, remove this. Wait, I'll explain. Generally, we provide more than one literals here to make one or two or three any other. Sorry, more than three literals or more than one literals will give three. Okay, we give some data. We should use three apostrophes to make more strings lines, and we will print this. It will print like it prints like that. I mean, it's run this. I mean, it prints string values. Watch here. We provided 4 lines, I mean 4 strings there, so it takes 4 string lines to print here. Okay, we should remember that we should provide the hash, I mean apostrophes, 3 apostrophes before and after our string lines. Watch here. I again coded some more data here. It provided more other lines, and we'll remove this. Come for numerical literal. Numerical literals are the character strings, digits from 0 to 9, decimal points, and plus and minus. Okay, it's for int and log and complex. It is a common thing when we learn in C, and C is a general language. No, we can learn this in also C. So leave this literals, numerical literals, and come back to the boolean literals. Boolean literals either it shows true or false. Okay, here's some example. We provided our password ABCD, and the confirmed password is ABCD. So we gave matched password here. Okay, now we can check whether they are true or false. Save this and run here. Come on. Yeah, it's true. The passwords are same. If you change the confirm password, it shows false. Save this and run this. Watch here, it shows false. Okay, next we'll go to special literals. Can I remove this? Excuse me. Okay, remove this. Okay, this prints special literals. Special literals are literals in Python, none, which means that the variables is yet initiated. It means we are going to use none here. Okay, start code, remove hash, and this all take off. Get this here, var 1 is equal to 32 and var 2 is equal to 43, and print. Okay, I'll forget to use print here. Okay, we are going to print var1 and var2. Sorry, I forget to give print type there. Okay, I'm gonna save this and run this. Let's see what we got. 32 and 42. And if we print the print type var1, it shows some other values. I mean, it was belongs to some non type. Okay, here we should not use any special operators when we assign. We should use single data, single value, single numerical value. If we use float, we should use float. If we use int, we should use int. We should not add any other values in our special literals. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling.